We have a fun one for you today. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. How about a small Class C Mercedes RV? This is the 2025 Quantum MB24, coming in at 25 feet 10 inches on a Mercedes 4500 chassis. Lots of storage inside, awesome Murphy bed. So let's head inside and walk around this MB24. Spacious, roomy, beautiful. One wall slide on here, slides right out. Seatbelts, sleeping for 4 in here. And look at this gorgeous look. This is white truffle with the Cali collection, beautiful two-tone cabinets, lots of storage, lots of everything you need for great adventures. Let's start up here in our living area. Your passenger and driver seat swivel. They are heated and memory seats, which is really nice when you get set up at camp like we are right now. You can spin these around. Maybe it's memory number 3. That's how I like to do that. And then it slides into position and you can just kick back. You put the booster here and now you're just part of the conversation. Maybe you are over here talking to whoever is in the dinette. Always love the Dream Dinette, super versatile. Everything you need. There are seatbelts here for the ride, including a child safety tether, cup holders, wireless charging, along with USB-A and USB-C. A little button here for the overhead lights, 3 cabinets up above. You have storage drawer right here, so everything you need in a great place to just sit and maybe watch TV, right? So we're gonna just kick back this way, put our feet up. Notice I still have plenty of headroom, and now I have the smart TV on. What am I watching? Whatever I want, because I'm connected to the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. It works with all of your favorite carriers. You can stream to the TV, your mobile devices. It's real easy to set up. You set your password, it's safe, secure, and now you are in. What I like too about this TV is secret storage, right? So a ton of storage in here. Look at that. Little storage compartments back here, and then lots of storage up here in the kitchen. Big too, right? So use it however you want. Full size Keurig in here, and all the tools you need. A lot of counter space in this campsite kitchen. 3-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave with an air fryer button, pop-up outlet here, a couple of GFCIs, USB-A, USB-C, so maybe you're using the tablet there as a cookbook. Roll-out cover for this large sink, right? So you wash up, you dry up, you put stuff away, whether it's in the drawers, the big cabinets, soft close too. Sweet, right? 84 inches of headroom in here, so there's gonna be plenty of room to move around. And as we walk back to the sofa / Murphy bed. So how do you want to use it right now? We are in sofa. We're going to take you over to the 12-volt fridge here. Oh, what do we want? Man, the choices, right? 12-volt fridge. We grab our drink. We sit down and we're just cooling out, right? Maybe we're charging up our tablet over here. We have a 12-volt USB-A 110s, a little button here for some lights. Nightstands when this makes into a bed, because it is a Murphy bed. Real easy to do. When you're done playing sofa, take the cushions, move them. You pull the latches right up here. There's one on each side, and then this folds right down. You have the footrest pulled out. Bam, look at this, right? Cozy, cozy sleeping. Then in the morning, you just reverse the process and you are right back into sofa mode. Right here on the wall is the thermostat for your 15,000 BTU AC unit and your furnishings, your propane on to run your furnace. Then you have to think about what I'm gonna wear today, right? It's gonna be cool out, it's a fall day. I wish I had room to bring all my clothes. Oh, look at all the closet space. So this one, adjustable shelves, you have the backpacks, the towels, the extra blankets, drawers down below. If you want to pull these out and hang clothes there, you can. And that takes us right into the bathroom here, where we have another massive closet. The ladder for the overcab bunk stores back here. So you pull this out when you're ready to take and head up front and climb up and catch a cozy night's sleep in the over the cab bunk. Drawers down below, and that takes us into everything else you need in a bath on the go. Rear bathroom in here. You have your toilet, you have your sink, large, massive medicine cabinet, shower, skylight in the shower, vent fan back here in the bathroom. You have a vent fan over the Murphy bed. Now you're asking, well, how do I control those fans? How do I control everything on board? We are gonna do that right from here. Our control panel gives us this right here is for the 3200 watt diesel generator. 2 generator options on your Quantum. The optional 3200 watt diesel generator, that's going to be very efficient. It's going to run right off that 24.5 gallon fuel tank. Or you can have the propane. That's a 4000 watt propane generator, comes standard. Also on this control panel, check your tank levels right here. Extend or retractor slide. The step button is for the outside, the outdoor step, the entry step. You can keep that out when you're at camp. Ceiling lights, water pump, and tank heaters for your black and gray tank. Over on the other side, you have your auto gen start. Yep, you have auto gen start no matter what generator option you go on this. 100 watts of solar. That is controlled and monitored right over there. You have buttons for your awning, which we will put out when we set up camp, your 12 volt battery disconnect switch, and we have electric stabilizers. Don't forget to put up your stabilizers before you head out to camp. And if you forget, when you fire up the engine, it is going to make a very nice reminding sound for you. Yeah, you only do it one time. So we're gonna put these up and head into that driver's seat. Push button start on the Mercedes 4500 chassis. i4 4-cylinder in here, twin stage turbo, 208 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed transmission, paddle shifters, and all the safety you would expect from Mercedes. From our infotainment center, you can dial these in to work for you. We have traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, active brake assist, attention assist. Super safe to drive, real easy to use and real easy to set up. From the swipe screen here, you can connect your Bluetooth phone. There's navigation, radio, including Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. When you're connected, your device will show up here. Info, which is super awesome. You can check your consumption. It's like a little trip meter here, but this one's super cool. So like when you're putting the hammer down, when you're giving the old Quantum the beans here, you can measure your torque and your horsepower. Download the operator's manual. Mercedes and Me is an app you are definitely going to want to load on your smartphone. Then down below we have hard buttons, HVAC controls. Then right up top you plug your phone that you want to connect here, and you set that on the pad that will wirelessly charge. Cup holders, all kinds of storage, more cup holders over here. Want to talk about our thumb pads real fast. Gonna have media and Bluetooth over here. And then on our left side, we can scroll through the dash, whether we want service, can dial in some of those drive assist, trip meters, navigation. So really, whatever you have on the screen here, you can mirror in the center. Heated remote seats, again, they have memory positions on them. Heated remote mirrors. It is a great drive. And one more safety feature I want to point out. This camera is always on. When you put it into reverse, you can actually adjust the volume, and then you can turn that up. So if you have a spotter, you'll get volume on here so they can talk to you about what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and just help you out and get into those tight spots. The button here is for the sky shade, for the over the cab bunk. Beautiful, easy to drive, easy to set up. Pretty sweet looking ride, isn't it? This is our Daydreamer partial paint. Very, very nice. And I love that Mercedes gave us this little step up here so we can wipe off the sensors for the adaptive cruise control and whatnot up here. We also have a wet wiper system where the fluid is going to come out of the wipers itself, so you're gonna get a nice clean windshield. And then down we go around to the nice blacked out wheels. Really ties in nice with this paint. So as we walk down the rest of the 25 feet, 10 inches of our MB24, we're gonna start opening some storage bays. And because this is the beefier Mercedes 4500 chassis, your occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this particular MB24, 2,218 pounds. That is a lot of stuff, and you can put some of it right in here. Big old bay for you right here. Rotocast material, not gonna get that base tank for you, real easy to wash out. There's a drain plug, there's a light. Just store whatever you need. Even a little pass-through up here, maybe you have some fishing poles or whatever. Go ahead, load it up. Fresh water connection is right here. GFCI outlets are right here. You either need to be plugged into shore power or have one of your generators fired up. Remember, you have options. This is the optional diesel 3200 watt generator. The 4000 watt propane generator is standard, but you do need your propane on, not only for the generator. If you go that route, you need it for your exterior propane connection. So you can set up a grill, you can set up a griddle. You're cooking out. When you're done cooking, maybe you want to take and rinse off those greasy utensils right here. Nice little spray port, so plugs in right into there. You're going to need your water pump on for that. You put the awning out, you set up your chairs, and you are just loving life when you are away. Nice night light. Well, I call it a night light because it works great for a night light when, you know, the sun sets, it gets a little dark. This time of year, it gets dark real early. Great way to mark the spot of your Quantum. Lots of storage bays back here too. Nice little cubbies to store whatever you need here. Maybe you have a few more things you want to store in here. This is the exhaust for our tankless hot water, which is a really great feature to have. So when you come in after a long day, just a nice hot shower before you climb into one of the cozy beds we talked about. Out back, nice steel bumper, 8,000 pound hitch. Nice graphics on the back. Everyone will know, oh man, I'm behind a Quantum. I'm a little bit jealous. That's how you roll in the Quantum. Back here on the business end, everything you need hooked up, easy, simple, fast. Tank flush, our city water connection, cable for the campsite, 30 amp shore power, detachable cord, stores nice right there, fits perfect in this bay. Then down below, this is where you're gonna take and connect your potty python. Remember, you do have tank heaters on here. You can turn those on from the control panel we showed you. Another handy little storage bay right out here. This one's a little bit longer, so you can throw whatever you need in here that, you know, a little bit longer items. Keep those out here. Another large bay right here. Plumbing in here as well, which makes it real easy when you want to winterize. Water pump, your fresh water drain. So when you go to winterize your Quantum, a lot of it's going to take place right there. So it's super easy. You don't have to take things apart or go digging. It's all right here. I like this. This is pretty neat. Your potty python, your stinky slinky, store that right in here and lock it up. Very nice. Then in here, our propane. You're gonna need your propane on for that exterior propane connection. You're gonna need it on for your heat. You're gonna need it for your hot water and for the generator if you have the 4,000 watt propane generator. 24.5 gallons of gas right there. And we are right back up to the beautiful looking Quantum MB24. It is a great way to just hop in and go. But before you do that, you have to build your own and get the MSRP. And you can do that right now at thormotorcoach.com.